This is your 2012 Toyota Camry SE, exterior color gray, interior color charcoal with cloth seats. Your vehicle is equipped with 16-inch alloy wheels. Your vehicle also has daytime running lights, cruise control, air conditioning, and smart stop technology. Your Camry SE is equipped with 2.5-liter engine with 178 horsepower and 170 torque. It gets 25 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside the driver cabin, you will find a navigational system, satellite radio, and Bluetooth. Your vehicle currently has 51,739 miles on it. In the rear cabin, you will find enough room to fit 3 adults with rear cup holders, 60/40 split seats, and side curtain airbag. In the trunk, you will find 15 cubic feet of space. You will also find soundproof dampening material to help dampen the road noise. Your spare and jack are also located underneath.